Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do a 30-minute beginner chest workout. For our first superset of exercises, we're going to have the flat barbell bench press, and then after our bench press, we're going to do a resistance band reverse fly to help out with shoulder health. Starting out with your barbell bench press, let's lean back. Grab the bar where you feel comfortable. For me personally, that's with my pinky on the first ring. Then let's pull the bar out and over our chest, pinch our shoulder blades together. From here, lower to the nipple line, and exhale on the way up. Now from here, come up and grab the resistance band. Keep your body upright. Hold the band about shoulder width apart. And then now from here, pinch your shoulder blades back and do a reverse fly. This is really going to help out with shoulder health and keep everything nice and stable for the bench press. Our next superset of exercises is going to be the dumbbell flat bench press and the dumbbell chest fly. Let's grab these dumbbells, bring them up to your knees, lean back. Start off with the dumbbells up, pinch your shoulder blades together. I like to keep mine at a slight angle instead of straight out. So a slight angle right here. Lower right to the nipple line, and exhale on the way up. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and grab these weights and lean back. Starting out with your weight up, pinch your shoulder blades together. You want a slight bend in the arms. You don't want to lock your elbows out, slight bend in the arms. And then now let's lower those right down to about 180 degrees and squeeze on the way up. Our last superset of exercise is going to be close grip dumbbell flat bench and standing overhead tricep extension. Let's grab these dumbbells again, lean back. Start out with them up top, and let's just touch them together. Once we get them touched together, let's kind of squeeze them together, and from here drop down to the nipple line and exhale on the way up. For the overhead tricep extension, we're going to take the dumbbell and put our hands like this for our grip over our head. Now from here, lower that weight right behind the head, keeping the elbows pointed kind of out forward, no further out than like a 45, and extend on the way up. Now there's a quick tutorial of our 30-minute beginner chest workout. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. 30-minute beginner chest workout, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.